All right, this is a quick review and unboxing of the MetaQuest 3. It is currently $500 at Best Buy. Because this product has come out, Best Buy actually has a sale going on MetaQuest 2, and it's $250. In fact, their refurbished models are still $290, so you can get a new one cheaper than refurbished. So how is it different than the 2? Well, it's got a more powerful processor, the Gen 2 version of it. It has pass-through vision on it, so you can see your room. It's an AR device. And it has available more memory. This is the stock 128, which the Quest 2 had, but you can get it as high as 512, although that one's quite a bit more expensive. You will notice that this is a recycled box. However, they wrapped it in a non-recycled sleeve, so points for trying. Anyway, I have had this open just to make sure everything worked. But here we go. We have a box with a QR code for getting directions if we want it. A couple of strap adjustment information. Got more stuff on here. The device has, it feels lighter than touch. I have a light to the touch compared to my other headset. I have a Oculus CV1, and this is going to be a huge upgrade compared to that. It is quite a bit smaller. It also has much higher resolution. So I've got it powering on now. Built into the side of the strap, USB-C plug on this side. This side looks like you can, I haven't tried it, but that looks like a headphone plug, but it does have built-in headphone earbuds on it. This is a volume control. It has contact chargers. And this is a width for your eyes adjuster. And then these corners are cameras for tracking. This is an inside-out tracker. All the tracking's in the headset. And the front has these pass-through cameras, so it gives you stereo vision while wearing it of the room you're in. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off the strap. And then we have the controllers. Versus the older models, including the CV1, which were magnetic. This one has a button to take the battery compartment open. And it just pops open. It comes with alkaline batteries installed in it already, although you do have to pull a piece of plastic out. But I did that already. Both of these are working up. And there is enough clearance in here so that if you need to, you can wear your glasses at the same time. So hold up your hand in front of the camera, Jess, and don't tell me how many fingers you're holding up. You're holding up 3 fingers. Change it. 1 finger. Don't move. It's got perfect 3D stereo. And as long as you see the controllers, it looks like the tracking works pretty good on it. It's kind of weird, though, because it puts a ghost of a hand over your hand. I'll test a couple games with it later and see how it works out. It does have a couple of neat features. You can actually Wi-Fi connect it to your computer and use it as a VR headset, as well as just do certain downloaded games with it. And it also mirrors your desktop if you want it to. I'm going to actually try to get it to work with my old controllers. I have, like I said, the CV1, but I don't like the headset. But the controller tracking is second to none because it has camera base stations. Anyway, I know this isn't technically related to lights, but we will be using it in the house. So there you go. This is the new Oculus headset. And I got this specifically because the pixel density just wasn't high enough, and it in my other one, and you could just see the pixels, and it was quite distracting. I'm hoping to enjoy Half-Life Alyx with this. Anyway, John out, and I'll catch y'all on the flip side.